The baby monkey, he's lose a family. He live here alone. I feed him some fruit and some water. Baby, hey, baby. Poor baby monkey. He lose a family. He live here alone. Yeah, poor baby. Yeah. Yeah, I've been here 4 or 5 days ago. He alone. I feed him some bread and water, and now I came here and he alone again. So I think he lose his family.
But he's happy to see you, and you feel
I know, but I feel bad for him. You know, like
There's nothing we
it's just a baby.
can do.